Hello, friends. Welcome back to Blockchain Inside Out. Today, I am going to give you one leak in Sunflower Land that what is coming for the next season. Uh, if you see here that this session is almost over, and there is next chapter, Rock Salt Rock Leaderboard is here. So from next session, you can earn Salt Rock. And what is the main thing you can do right now? Chapter starts in 6 days. So you have 6 days in your hand to prepare yourself for the next round, and you can start accumulating Salt Rock from now onwards. So for the first time, you can see in the tool section there is one salt rack used to harvest salt from salt nodes. So this is very important thing, and you can try to get whenever is needed, you can use that. But the main thing what I wanted to share, that is, if you come here, this is the poppy section. And no, not this, sorry, this section where uh, wait for a while. Yeah, this section, sorry. If you come here, you can see in poppy section you cannot get that salt rack, but here in this section you can start earning salt rack from now onwards. All of you have these sort of things, giant orange. Then you can easily prepare mashed potatoes. If you have this cream stone cream steel, you can give it. Apart from that, you all have basic beer and apple and blueberry. These sandril and hieroglyphic, all you have. And the fence, somebody have already have some fences. So I am not having those fence. These hardened leather I don't have. But what I am having, this earthworm, I can easily give it out. And eggplant and radish, all of you have these things. So easy. 12 8. Then these things, merino cushion, if you are having, then you can do. Else you can leave it. But easy, you can earn 20 plus 12, 32 plus 8, 40, 46. Then 54. This thing, I guess easily you can get. And many of you have this tombstone. If you are willing to give, then you are going to get 2x rewards. So do it today. Today is the 2x day, so don't miss out this opportunity. That's why I wanted to create this video today. If you miss today, then you are not going to get 2x rewards. You can get the salt rock, but that will be halved. So don't miss out, and try to accumulate as many as possible. And if you haven't provided these things for long, then you will get another options. Means if you give one. Right now I am going to show you. Let's go to Finlay. Let's show you how to get that. Look, right. Let's see if I am going to get another option. Oh, sorry, This is network issue. I can't help it, but still I'm going to show you once again. Here you go. And let's check if anything is given once again. Not this time. What is going on? Come on. Whatever, there is some issue that is going on in my end, so it's not an big issue. So you can start accumulating those things right now, and hopefully you will get enough salt rock in this session. All the best, and try to get as many as salt rock from now onwards, and do use today's double delivery. Thank you all. Hope you understood what I meant to say, and good luck for the next chapter. See you soon.